Hey there, Anthony Aries here. Welcome aboard. I'm going to show you real quick how fast and how easy it is to set up beautiful lead getting squeeze pages just like the one you saw. Now, building a list has been a major key to my success with my online career. I've been marketing online since 2003, and building a list has been a big part of my success. So having beautiful squeeze pages is really important, and it's also really important to be able to launch a lot of them so that you can test different traffic to each ones and find out which one is converting the most. So I'm going to show you really quick how I can do this with this amazing new software called Lead Rocket. So first thing I'm going to do is label this page. Whoops, hit my mic. Sorry about that. First thing I'm going to do is label this page Facebook Lead Rocket campaign. Okay. Next thing I'm going to do is push this little button right here, the little Lead Rocket logo icon. It's going to populate over there. The next thing I'm going to do is come on down over here, and I'm going to pick a style of web form. Okay, so we have all these different styles. We have 10 different styles with the Lead Rocket Basic. With Lead Rocket Pro, there's an additional 10 more styles. So you'll have 20 total with Lead Rocket Pro. So I'm going to go with, let me see, I like this with the white one right here. Okay, I'm going to select that. The next thing I'm going to do is pick a background. Okay, so when you get Lead Rocket Pro, you get 20 backgrounds. All right, and let me go grab a background really quick. So these are all the backgrounds that you get with Lead Rocket Pro. There's 20 of them. So I'm going to pick something, that's kind of cool. Got a little bit reminder of the beach, something that's relaxing. And what we want to do is when we pick the image, we want to make sure we leave it at full size. We'll insert that into our post. And then we're going to pick a logo image. Okay, so let me select a logo for that. And all right, and we're going to pick the Lead Rocket logo banner, and we're going to insert that in there. And the next thing that we're going to do is pick a headline. I've already written something out over here, so I'm going to take that, copy it, and I'm going to paste that into there. I'm also going to add a video. I've got a video over here that I'm going to add. We want to make sure our video is between 400 megapixels, and we're just going to take the code and we're going to pop that in there. Next thing that we need to do is just basically tell people what we want our button to say, right? So I'm just going to have it say next, right? And then we respect your privacy. Add a little, we will not sell or share your information. Okay, put that in there. All right. And the next thing that we need to do is integrate our autoresponder with Lead Rocket. So if I come over here, I'm using Aweber, and it's an email marketing system, if you're not familiar with Aweber. And what I've done is I've already started to create a form for this list that I've got called Lead Rocket pre-sale. And I've gone and I've picked a form. You always want to pick basic, and let's add a new field. So name, save. Okay, and let's just add this over here. Okay, save. We're going to put that above there. So we got name, email, and let's save this web form. Okay, and then the next thing that we need to do is we're going to go to step 2, and we're going to enter where we want people to go after they opt in. So we've got that. We're going to go to step 3, and now we're going to publish our form. We want to make sure that we take all the fancy stuff out of the Aweber code over here, and uncheck that, copy that, and then we're going to paste that into there. Please enter your name, and we're just going to say name over there, and email over here, and then we're going to, that's pretty much it. Okay, so now we're going to hit publish. This is pretty cool. And let's take a look at our page. We're going to hit view page, and there is our page. Check it out. See that? We got our logo up there. Discover how you can build beautiful lead getting squeeze pages like this one in under 5 minutes. There's my video. I should probably make that video a little bit smaller, which we can do. Let's try that. Let's try 300, and let's take that code. And you know, all we have to do is just come back over here, and we scroll down to the bottom where the video was, and we can easily change that. Where the headline is, we just come over here, paste it, and then we hit update, and we'll hit the refresh. Now, and there it is. It's a little bit smaller. It looks a little bit better, right? Pretty cool. Now, watch me create multiple pages like this in seconds. This is where things get really cool. Because as an internet marketer, what you want to be able to do is test different pages to the traffic that you're driving to it, right? You may find that one page will get more leads than another. The only way that you're going to be able to do that is by creating a bunch of pages. Well, could you imagine having to hire a designer to create 20 different pages for you? It would cost about $500 a squeeze page. 500 times 20, that's going to cost you $10,000 to have all those pages designed. Well, with LeadRocket, you don't have to do that. All we got to do is we come over here to all of our pages, and we look at the last page that we just created, which was the Facebook LeadRocket campaign, right? All we do is we hit duplicate, okay? And it's going to duplicate everything that we just did, and then we're going to come down over here, and all we're going to do, we can pick a different opt-in box, okay? So let's pick this black one, and then I can come over here and I can pick a different background, right? So let's upload a different background, and I got to go hunt that down again. Hopefully you're enjoying this. This is pretty cool stuff. Okay, so we had picked this background before, right? So let's pick this background. Okay, boom, there we go. All right, and let's hit save all changes. And oh no, we weren't supposed to do that. We have to go back and do that again. Upload image. Whoopsie. All right, there we go. We're uploading the image. See, I make mistakes too. And then we're going to hit insert into post. And then, so we created a brand new page, right? We're going to hit publish. And let's check out this page now. Okay. And there's the new one that we just created. Check that out. Here's the one that we created before, right? LeadRocket. So it's wpleadrocket.com/Facebook-LeadRocket campaign, right? And this is the new one that we just created. It's a -2. See that? See how fast that was? We created that so fast, and it's already integrated into our autoresponder. We can do that again with another one. Let's just do one more for the heck of it, okay? All right, so let's go back to all pages, right? That's what we're going to do. We're going to go find the last page that we created. We're going to hit duplicate, all right? Pretty easy. We're going to come down here and pick a different opt-in box. Let's pick, geez, let's pick, this green one looks kind of cool. Let's pick that. And then let's pick a different background. Okay. Let's pick, sunsets kind of look cool, right? So let's pick this one. And then insert into the post. And let's publish it, because this is a new page, right? And let's view that. Voila. There's our new page with our new opt-in box, okay? And there's the other one that we created. And see how fast we did that? Pretty amazing. Here's what else is cool about Lead Rocket 2. We've got a powered by Lead Rocket link down here, and you can easily go in and add your own affiliate link. Lead Rocket is listed on ClickBank. All you would do is come over here to Lead Rocket. You would add your affiliate, your ClickBank affiliate ID in there, and then anytime anyone clicks that link and buys a Lead Rocket, you get 50% of the sales. And it's a fantastic way for you to make some extra money with all the squeeze pages that you put out there. Hope you enjoyed the video. Now it's time for you to click the button down below and get Lead Rocket. It's a great investment for your business, and it's a great way to create tons of these beautiful looking lead getting squeeze pages in a very short amount of time. Look forward to seeing you on the inside and becoming a Lead Rocket customer. Yours for massive prosperity, Anthony Aries.